Most websites just sit there and look pretty, but this one that I built inside of HighLevel qualifies leads, talks to them, and books appointments automatically. So I'm not gonna waste any of your time. I'm just gonna show you this. So this is the old smart website, okay? This is the new one. It has an entire built out walkthrough for your leads to get them to book an appointment. It is way more in depth, and we rigged this thing with custom CSS, custom HTML, and it is amazing. And I'm gonna show you how to get this free in this video. So don't worry, but this thing is absolutely next level. And I spent a ton of time on this smart website, so please use it. So first thing I wanna do is walk you through the flow and how this works. So the old AI smart website, which is just Connor's landscaping, what we did essentially is we had leads or prospects of yours come to the website and try out the AI agent, and it had that self-selling quality, which you've seen in my videos before. It's amazing. But I took everyone's feedback in the community because a lot of people are like, it's amazing, but some people are a little bit confused. So I went another step and added a bunch of custom CSS and HTML to make this self-selling demo easier. And I'm gonna walk you through that right now. And the whole goal with this was just taking feedback and making it that much simpler. So let me show you now what this smart website looks like with the added flow to make it even easier. So original looks like this. They just come right in and they try it out. The new one looks like this. They come to the AI smart website, and then boom, this pops up right here immediately. It says, still losing website visitors who never call or book. And then essentially it guides them right through. Watch what happens when a visitor lands on your website. Visitor asks a question, AI responds instantly, AI offers a scheduled appointment, contact is created and calendar is updated, lead captured, hands-free, et cetera, et cetera. And it says right here, tap or click anywhere to start the demo. So as soon as they see this, they go, okay, cool. They click anywhere, and then boom, arrows pop up on the page guiding them to this AI agent. Okay, again, much different than this one. This one is just them coming on and trying it out. By the way, guys, this took forever, so please utilize this. But now what happens is it is an interactive guide guiding your lead through this, so there is no confusion. And then they click this, and then essentially it tells them what to do. This website is about to talk to you, ask questions, and book you like a real employee. You are literally being qualified and scheduled by a website right now. So then they can come in and they can test out said AI agent.
Hello, you've reached Connor's Landscaping. This is Jasmine. How can I help you today?
So they go right through and they talk to it, and essentially it runs them through just like the other smart website demo where they go through and it sells their clients, not them. But we've taken it in even a step further. When they click this message, they go, okay, this is cool. They click this, it now goes over here and there's another agent added on. And I'm gonna have to show you guys how to set this up because it's a little bit tricky, but look how cool this is. We have 2 AI agents on the same page. I bet you've never done that before because that is not something you can normally do with HighLevel. We use custom CSS, which again, I'm gonna show you how to get free in this video, but look how cool this is. Now they have this one. So if we click this and we call, it says now click the real agent window to book your own consult. They click it.
Hey, I'm Maria. Did you check out the demo?
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
Glad to hear that. Was there anything in particular that stood out to you?
So boom, I go right through and it basically starts talking to me as if I am now the lead or the business owner going through it. So this basically sells them. This will walk through the close or book the appointment. That way this thing is entirely automated, hands off. And in here, we use 2 different AI agents, self-selling, which is Maria, which is this one right here. And then we have Jasmine, which is the one that's gonna be selling them on Connor's Landscaping. And together we have a completely hands-off walkthrough. And this is beautiful because this makes everything super easy. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna be linking a video with me cold calling and walking through. So definitely make sure you check that out because it's gonna show you kind of how I do this in real time. But I'm telling you guys, this is the future of AI demoing. And we've done such a good job at making this just so clean. And the thing I love about this is I really took y'all's feedback and just ran with it. That's really what this version is. It is the upgraded version of the original smart website. So you guys, if you're really not good at sales or you kind of don't want to spend the time, it just works way better. So now what I want to do is I want to show you how to set this up once you get this snapshot, because there's a couple things you're going to have to do in order to get this to work right. It's not like a regular snapshot. It is plug and play, but we just have to go in and tweak some stuff in the custom CSS. So if you guys want this entire AI website demo, I've got that 30-day free trial link down below. Okay, you're gonna have to sign up with that in order to get this because this is super high end. It took forever to build. And again, it's free for you. I'm not having you pay me for it, but you need to be in my community because this is a benefit of the community. And I'm telling you guys, it is world class. So you go right down below, click that link, check it out, get into the group. And I'm gonna tell you too, we have the best community, hands down. I'm not gonna go super far into this because we got a lot to cover, but just click the link down below and check everything out and you will see what I'm talking about because I could yap all day. But let's get back to the video. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna plug in this snapshot. So obviously you're gonna get the snapshot once you're in the community, upload it. Then there's a couple key things we need to do. So all of this is already trained. Yes, you can go in and tweak names and stuff if you don't want to do Connor's landscaping. Drop a comment down below if you want to see, videos on how to change the niche. We already have prompts for that and they're free. But that's essentially the first step is understanding who you want to target. If you're going to target landscapers, we're good to go. We don't need to worry about it. Where this gets a little tricky is we need to add these in properly, okay? And we need to make sure the website has the right code. So the first thing you're going to need to do, and this is really important, is create your chat widget. So sometimes these go through on the snapshot. Sometimes they don't. I don't know what the deal is with high level. They just sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But we're going to go through and create this anyway if you don't see them because the AI agents are already set up. It's all already done. The whole snapshot is configured. All we need to do is set up the 2 AI agents and plug them in so this works. So first things first, we're going to come right into sites. We're going to come right into chat widget and we're going to create our first AI agent. So follow along really close. So we're going to do voice AI and what we're going to do is we're going to call this Jasmine. So all we're going to do is we're going to make sure Jasmine is selected and we're going to leave as is. Obviously, change the name down here to your business name and everything else, but this is pretty much all we have to do. We just want to create the first widget, which is Jasmine, because we're going to connect that in a second. And again, you want to make sure it is named after that because it's going to get really confusing. That's it. So boom, Jasmine is selected. Now, this is where the sneaky part comes in. We have to add this in and there's some things we have to do. So follow along very closely. Guys, by the way, any questions at all, drop in the comments down below and I will answer personally. So now what we got to do is we got to create another widget, okay? And this is going to be for this right here. This is the second one, which is Maria self-selling. So what we're going to do is we're going to click new. We're going to click voice AI. I'm going to come right in here and we're going to do self-selling Maria. Now, this is where things get a little bit weirder. So we're going to save. We're going to make sure we have self-selling Maria selected, which is the agent that we chose. We're going to change this to Maria. Okay, we're going to come back here. I'll actually make sure that's saved. Sometimes it's a little weird. We're going to come back here. We'll just change it to this image right here. And then this is what we're going to need to do. This is really important. We're going to click styles and we're going to click embedded line. Okay, this is what we have to click in order for this to work. Very important. So we're going to click that. We're then going to click save. Now what we're going to do, pay very close attention, we're going to get the code and we're going to copy this because in order to have 2 of these on the page, you got to do some custom CSS, which is adding the code in. Don't worry, I make it very easy. I've done all the hard work for you. This would normally take you like 3 hours to get this dialed in, but I've done it for you for free, so enjoy it. But we're going to copy this code so we have it, and now we're going to go back and install these on our website. So we have websites right here, Connor's Landscaping. So we're going to check this out. So this is the snapshot. So you see right here, it has it, but look, it doesn't have any AI agents anywhere like this. They're not there, so we need to add them in. So this is what it looks like right now. Let's add them in. So first things first, settings, chat widget, need Jasmine, not Maria, because Maria is this one. This is Jasmine's. Jasmine over here. So we're going to come right here, click Jasmine, and then we're going to click save. And then it's saved. So we're going to come here to make sure we got the first one. So we're going to refresh. And then boom. Okay, we have Maria. But we come here, we click this, and then boom. But we don't have the other one. So we have to add it in. So we're going to come right in here. We're going to click edit in new tab. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come right in here, click this right here. You'll see it right here. We're going to open code editor. And we're going to scroll all the way down and right here, 732, line 732. And we're going to take this right here. We're going to hover over this and we're going to click paste. Once we have that in, we're going to click save. Now what we're going to do is we're going to view the website to make sure it all fired off. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. There you go. Clean as that, done and dusted. So we really went from this, okay, with nothing on it, all the way to this with everything decked out. That is how powerful this is. And I'm telling you guys, this is way more powerful than the regular demo. It also took me a ton of time to build. So please utilize it. And you get it for free right down below. So again, I'm not trying to sell this to you. Like, you don't have to go on my funnel and buy this. You can just get this for free when you sign up with my 30-day free trial link, which I recommend you do. We also have the best community, like more testimonials, more wins than really anyone else that I can see. And if you don't believe me, just click the link down below and see. And again, guys, if you have questions, drop them down below as well. I'll answer them personally. This is good because it gives me feedback to make my videos better, but it also gets your questions answered. So that's really it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Now what you should definitely do is you should watch the video that pops up at the end of this one, because it's going to be going over a live cold call, okay? Me live cold calling and showing you how to send this demo to someone so they can walk through it. And then on the back end, you see that they gone through it and basically have them basically go through it step by step. And again, that's going to be linked right at the end. And I think you're really going to like that because it is live, it is real, and it can give you a lot of really, really good nuggets. So thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.